Understanding, not lifting a finger, a guide to English idioms. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting English idiom, not lifting a finger. This phrase might sound a bit strange at first, but it's commonly used in both spoken and written English. Understanding idioms like this one is crucial for mastering the language, as they often express concepts in a vivid and culturally specific way. Let's get started and unravel the meaning and use of not lifting a finger. When someone says they're not lifting a finger, they mean they're not helping at all or not making any effort to assist with a task or situation. It's important to note that this phrase usually has a negative connotation. It implies laziness or unwillingness to contribute, suggesting that the person could help but chooses not to. The origin of not lifting a finger is not precisely documented, but the imagery is quite clear. It evokes a picture of someone sitting idly, not even moving a single finger to help. This idiom is used in various contexts, from casual conversations to more formal writings, to express disapproval of someone's lack of action or assistance. To help you understand how to use this phrase, here are some examples. Despite seeing how busy the kitchen was, John didn't lift a finger to help. She wouldn't lift a finger to clean up, even though it was her mess. Everyone contributed to the project, except for Alex, who didn't lift a finger. These sentences highlight the idiom's versatility and how it can be applied to different scenarios to express the same idea of inaction. English is rich with idioms that convey a similar sentiment to not lifting a finger. Some of these include, sitting on one's hands also implies inactivity or lack of involvement. Not doing one's bit means not contributing one's fair share to a collective effort. Turning a blind eye, while this can mean ignoring something wrong, it can also imply a lack of action to rectify a situation. Understanding these can enrich your English vocabulary and help you express nuanced thoughts and observations. Today, we explored the meaning, usage, and origins of the idiom, not lifting a finger. Idioms like this one add color and depth to our language, allowing us to convey complex ideas in a few words. Remember, the key to mastering idioms is not just to understand their literal meanings but to see them in context. We hope this video has been enlightening and that you're now more comfortable using and understanding English idioms. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.